Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Optima Radio. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to avoid electrical faults. Remove trim panels gently with a plastic trim tool to prevent scratching. Unscrew visible screws and store them in a small container to avoid loss. Carefully unclip the center bezel and set it aside. Label connectors before unplugging to make reassembly fast and stress-free. Start by prying the dashboard bezel at the lower seam with a plastic trim tool, using steady pressure along the edge. Remove 2 screws near the climate controls, plus 1 under the ashtray if present, then set screws aside. Gently pull the bezel toward you to disengage retaining clips, working around the perimeter to avoid breaking tabs. Once free, lift the bezel straight out and rest it on a soft surface. After the bezel is removed, unscrew the radio mounting bolts and pull the unit out slowly, supporting its weight. Reach behind, press the release tabs, and disconnect the antenna cable and the main electrical harness carefully. If your model has multiple plugs, label them or take a quick photo for reference. Inspect each connector for dirt or corrosion and clean contacts with electrical cleaner if needed to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.